Viewers, this is breaking news that we bring to you from the TVK headquarters in Chennai. As we speak, Sengotian reaches the TVK headquarters. And at this point, it's a big development that we see coming in with Sengotian, the expelled MLA, the leader, veteran leader from the AIADMK. In fact, joining hands with the TVK, a big boost for the TVK as we speak, right ahead of elections that is to take place in 2026. We have Pramod Madhav joining us and continuing to be with us on the broadcast. Pramod, what are you picking up from the ground as we see visuals coming in of Sengotian having reached the TVK headquarters at this point?
So before that, actually, there is a commotion over here as one of the security personnel apparently, hit a camera person. Because of that, there's actually commotion at this spot. This is happening while K.S. Sengotian has arrived over here. He's going to join Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam, but unfortunately, there's been an incident because of which there's a commotion, and the TVK leaders are trying to actually speak and settle it as well. Very unfortunately, such an incident has occurred where a camera person has been attacked, and that's why they are calling out the security personnel to apologize over here. And he could see the people are asking that particular person to come outside and apologize, where Adav Arjun is trying to talk, and he's also trying to calm the situation down. This is happening inside the Tamizhaka headquarters, where one of the security personnel, unfortunately, has attacked the VJs over here. On one parallel side, we have Sengotian also, who is inside, and he's actually joining Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam. Amidst this, unfortunately, this chaos is also occurring over here, where a VJ has been mistreated, because of which everybody is actually trying to solve the issue over here, Shreya. On the other hand, Sengotian is joining Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam, that over there, and he has also come over here. He's assured that he'll come out and speak. Very, very important development on that aspect as well, because imagine a strongman from AIADMK now joining TVK, but unfortunately on the background we are also having this kind of situation here, Shreya.
Absolutely, Pramod. We can see two simultaneous developments taking place at the headquarters as we speak. But I think they have been able to pacify the person who, in fact, got hit in that entire commotion. But yes, Pramod, let's focus on the big development taking place at the headquarters right now, which is Sengotian joining hands with the TVK and the boost it brings to the very party when a veteran joining this very party. Given that TVK as a face, we've only seen actor-turned-politician Vijay being the face of that very party, being the main leader of that very party, but with a personality like a political persona like Sengotian joining hands with the TVK, it indeed brings about that political experience within the party's ambit now.
It sure is, because on one side, if you see, the biggest aspect here is that when it comes to Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam, it is only Vijay. And for now, those are the pictures that, statues, busts that you see. Those are the ideological heads of Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam. But on the ground, they did not have any kind of strong person when it comes to somebody who can assure the people that there was experience. And that's why it was actually, now Sengotian joining particular party is very important, because imagine you have tall leaders and such, but all are leaders over there, 5 leaders, be it Kamarajar, Periyar, Veeramage Velunachiyar, Ambedkar, and Anjali Ammal. But they needed someone who could actually relate to the ground, and this is where Sengotian comes over. 50 years of experience he's carrying along with them, and also that is from the ground. So he, very clearly we can say that he knows Tamil Nadu in and out, and that's what they needed. Having ideology one end, advice on one end, but practical experience is something that is what Tamizhaka Vetchi Kazhagam required, and it looks like now they are getting it in the form of Sengotian. Even though Sengotian has not spoken on this anywhere, now he says that he will go, he will join the party, and he will talk to us, and he will actually meet the press, and he will answer our questions, Shreya. The important aspect here is that, imagine a man who's been with MGR, who's been with Jayalalitha, now on the ground, and who wishes to be with Vijay, is a very, very important aspect over here.
Absolutely, Pramod, and we are keeping a track of all these developments coming in from Tamil Nadu, right from the TVK headquarters itself. But